Sa part na to medyo masakit na yung damage ni Monkey King kaya patay si Uncle Bat. At ito na yung huli naming sabayan ni Monkey King kaya ginamit ko na rin yung full power ni Uncle Bat.
Why are you running?
At hindi ko inaakala na biglang tumawag yung tita ninyo na kolagot si Uncle Bat.
A few moments later.
At sa kasamaang palad biglang naglalag yung wifi at nag-reconnecting.
The power of Leo is within my hands.
Hi mga ka-Uncle Bads, kalaban ko nga pala ngayon si Monkey King na si Son.
Huwag ka nang magpaliwanag, Uncle Bads.
Kung sino pa ang hindi nakapag-subscribe dyan baka naman.
Starlight illuminates my path.
Sa early game palang gusto ko sana makita ang pagmumukha ni Monkey King kaso may patago-tago pa siyang nalalaman inaatake niya bigla si Uncle Bat. At hindi ko inaakala na biglang tumawag yung tita ninyo na kolagot si Uncle Bat.
A few moments later.
Pero kahit papano tuloy pa rin ang laban ni Uncle Bads at ni Monkey King na si Son.
My courage and strength lead me to...
At ako na naman ang nagpatago-tago sa kanya at sinu-surprise ko rin sa kanya ang mga wild punch ni Uncle Bat.
Lion's claws always hit the mark.
At ang tigas talaga ng pagmumukha nitong si Monkey King palaging nakasurvive sa mga kamao ni Uncle Bads.
Battles come and go, but my strength endures.
At dito hindi na talaga niya natakasan pa ang mga kamao ni Uncle Bads kaya piti yung deathlock ni Monkey King. Sa part na to umiral na naman yung pagkamahilig ko sa kape, akala ko talaga siya yung totoong Monkey King pero clone lang pala niya. Kaya hindi na ako magpaluko pa sa kanyang mga clone.
Your team
Definitely
destroyed
worth
a turret.
purchasing.
At dito nakita ko na naman na nagpa-farm si Monkey King kaya pina-farm ko rin sa kanya ang mga wild punch ni Uncle Bat.
fight a
Our
battle
turret has been
unprepared.
destroyed.
Yeah.
At mukhang mautak na yata si Monkey King, ginamitan lang niya ako ng micro attack sa kanyang mga clone.
The power of Leo! Yeah. Yeah.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Quiver before the might of the stars. Lion's claws always hit the mark.
At hindi na nakatiis si Monkey King, gigil na yata yung deathlock niya kaya binanatan na niya si Uncle Bad.
Light speed punch!
You have slain an enemy.
No way to escape. The lion rules the jungle, and I rule this battlefield.
Parang gusto na yatang makipagsabayan si Monkey King kay Uncle Bad.
Killing spree. That is wiped out.
Don't the power of Leo!
Mega kill.
Gone with the starlight.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Light speed punch! The lion rules the jungle, and I rule this battlefield. No victories to claim yet. Just keeping my skills sharp. The power of Leo!
Unstoppable.
Beneath the starry sky,
Destroyed.
battles come and go, but my strength endures.
Sa part na to medyo masakit na yung damage ni Monkey King kaya patay si Uncle Bad.
Light speed punch!
Shut down. Good game.
The lion rules the jungle, and I rule this battlefield.
At mukhang mahihirapan na yata si Uncle Bads kasi masakit na yung damage sa mga clone ni Monkey King.
Stay alert.
Our
The hunt is
inhibitor
on.
turret is under attack.
Light speed punch! Don't infuriate me.
Our base is under attack. Good game. Our turret is under attack. Our base is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
At sa kasamaang palad biglang naglalag yung wifi at nag-reconnecting.
My roar of victory will echo the battlefield.
At ito na yung huli naming sabayan ni Monkey King kaya ginamit ko na rin yung full power ni Uncle Bad.
The jungle, and I rule this battlefield. The power of Leo!
You have slain an enemy.
At hindi ko inakala na biglang nang surrender si Idol, siguro naisip niya na ang lakas talaga ni Uncle Bads kaya mas mabuti mag-surrender na lang.
Haha, ang kapal mo RM Gamer.
Victory!
At hanggang sa muli mga ka-Uncle Bads, nice game na lang sa'yo Idol.